just gonna do a quick shout out to this place. Alright, so if you guys are ever in the Hawks Nest, Port Jervis area, there's a spot here, best breakfast in town, I guess. It's called Mama's Diner or something. Oh, Mama's Kitchen. What was that? Oh, here it is. Mama's Kitchen Deli Cafe. Yes. So if you're ever in Hawks Nest, visit this place. Mama's Kitchen Deli Cafe. Real good guy who owns this place. Good food, cheap food. That's the most important thing. Cheap. Yeah, should check out this place. Brothers over there. We're gonna hit up the Hawks Nest. Check out my bike. It's looking good. Yeah. I broke off a piece of fairing here. Yeah, changing the oil and stuff. Broke it. Look at him. See him right there? Yeah. Alright. We already caught up. Scraping, bro. Holy shit. I saw sparks, man. All right. Woo, that was fun. Baby. Yeah, for real, man. Crazy bike. Hell yeah. Woo. Alright, I'll lead the way this time. Here we go. Woo, baby. Hell yeah. I'm not dragging knee, but this is pretty good. Oh, leading my ass. Woo. I'm pretending I'm in MotoGP. That was fun. Wow, I really dragged knee there. Alright, here, stop over here. Hell yeah, baby. Holy shit. Damn, son. You're really whipping that thing, dude. Holy shit. Woo! Whipping it. Woo! Moly. Alright. Bang a Yui, and we stopped by that that spot right there. And yeah, yeah. All right, clear here. You go ahead. That was fucking awesome, bro. I think that was way faster than the first time we went here. Yeah. You're really whipping it. I got the footage here, so give it to you later. Man, that view is nice though. Woo, baby. I think I wouldn't do too bad in the track, honestly. Alright, where those guys are, I'll take it slow here. Yeah, 5 sounds good. Wait until these guys go. 4? Alright, you ready? Alright, I'm going now. Baby, feeling good. Woo, baby.